Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to our lesson. Today we're gonna talk about the topic, the time, and the time is a very big topic, and we need two lessons to talk about this one. In the first lesson, we're gonna learn how to say the time, like what time is in Vietnamese, or how to say second, minute, or hour. All right, let's start. The first thing we have the time. The time in Vietnamese is mean thời gian, and week second. We have giây, minute, phút, hours, giờ, or tiếng. Uh, so when we use giờ and when we use tiếng, I'm gonna explain later. We have day, ngày, week, tuần, or month, tháng, or year, năm. Yeah, about the decade and century is now it's not necessary, alright? Later, I'm gonna give you the decade and century. Alright, so this all about the Vietnamese, um, like second, minutes, hour, day, week, month, year. Alright, so now we go to the lesson week. How to say what times is in Vietnamese? Alright, week. What time is in Vietnamese is gonna be bây giờ là mấy giờ, or you can add you can say like mấy giờ rồi. The same meaning. Alright, in Vietnamese we're gonna have the time like this. I have some of this. Alright, this one from 3 a.m. to 10 a.m. We call this one giờ sáng. For the next one, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. we say giờ trưa. And from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. we say giờ chiều. And from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. we say giờ tối. And the last one, right? We have from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. we say giờ đêm. So why you say giờ sáng, trưa, chiều, tối, or giờ đêm? Because in Vietnamese we don't use a.m. or p.m. It means we don't know what is the time you're talking. Example like 7 a.m. We're gonna speak like 7 giờ sáng. Alright, or example like 2 p 3 p.m. we say 3 giờ chiều, and we know exactly we talk about 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 7 o'clock in the morning. Right, so with this one we also have this one buổi sáng, morning. And if you have eating in this time we say ăn sáng. Ăn sáng is the verb, or bữa sáng. Bữa sáng is the noun. Alright, and this one is breakfast. Also with giờ trưa, we have buổi trưa. It means lunchtime or noon. And we also have lunch là bữa ăn trưa or bữa trưa. With giờ chiều, we have buổi chiều. Yeah, afternoon. Yeah, but in Vietnamese we don't have eat in the evening time, right? And we have, yeah, with giờ tối we have buổi tối. It means evening, right? Also have ăn tối or bữa tối. And the night time we have, it's not buổi đêm, alright? This is ban đêm, right? It means night. If you eat in this time, we say ăn đêm. Actually, in Vietnamese, ăn đêm in the big cities is quite popular because the restaurant is open very late, maybe 2 a.m., 3 a.m. They're gonna close. But sometimes it's 6 a.m. They will open again. All right, and this is about like the time, right? And how to answer the question, what time is? Bây giờ là mấy giờ? Or mấy giờ rồi? Alright. So let's see. We have this one. Let's guess what it is. Yeah, this one is the clock. The clock là cái đồng hồ. The clock, the watch, like this, we all say cái đồng hồ. Alright. Let's see. This is the middle. So what is the number over here? Yeah, 12. Right? And in the right, 3. In the bottom, 6. Right? And then the left, 9. So example like, okay, the short one is hour and the long one is minutes. Oh, how to speak this one? With this one we have example like 3 o'clock, right? We say 3 giờ. But we don't know this AM or 3 PM. And then we have to say example like 3 AM, we say 3 giờ sáng. Alright? 3 AM. Or if it's in the afternoon, we say 3 giờ chiều. Oh, this is 3 PM. Alright? So as the same thing with all of year like this. Alright? But how about the example like this one? Like I delete this one. Alright, the new one. This one is 3:45, right? 3:45 example like AM. We want to say like 3 giờ 45 phút AM sáng, right? Or example like in English, it's gonna be 15 to 4, right? So we're gonna speak like this: 4 giờ kém or thiếu 15. The same thing in English. Alright? So how about this one? Example like this: 3:30. With 3:30 like this, alright? 3:30 AM. Alright? This one gonna be 3 giờ rưỡi. Rưỡi is mean half, right? 3.5. Yeah. And let's practice. Alright? Let's see. Example like 6:30 PM. Oh, this one. So 6 o'clock. Right here, right? We have 6 o'clock. It's gonna be giờ trưa. Sorry, giờ chiều, right? Like this. So 6:30. How about 6:30? Ah, this with this one, with the half like this, we gonna depend on the season. Example right now is the winter time, and the day is quite short, and we say 6 giờ 30 tối. But with 6:30 p.m., but in the like summertime, right? The day is quite long. We're gonna say 6 giờ 30 chiều. All right. Yeah, and this is how we talk about the time in Vietnamese. And to answer the question, bây giờ là mấy giờ, right? Yeah, I'm gonna give you an example with that question and answer this. All right. Example like then. Bây giờ là mấy giờ? Or Dan ơi, mấy giờ rồi? Oh, we can answer like that. Bây giờ là 3 giờ chiều. Or if someone is very close, we don't have to so polite. We can say like 3 giờ chiều. 3 giờ chiều. Or actually in Vietnamese, we also have like this. Mấy giờ rồi? Bây giờ là 3 giờ chiều rồi. Right? Rồi. Already. Right? Or 3 giờ chiều rồi. Right? 3 giờ chiều rồi. Bây giờ là 3 giờ chiều rồi. In Vietnamese. Alright? Yeah. Let's see. What do we talk about this one anymore? Maybe, yeah, nothing more to talk about this one. And in the next lesson, we're gonna learn about the weekday, the month, and kind of yesterday, tomorrow, and some of them. All right. So see you in the next lesson, and bye bye. Have a good day.